Taking inspiration from the sensational murder case of Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, where a body was dumped in a blue water tank, in a plastic blue water tank with a thick layer of cement, a sensational murder has happened in Raipur as well. This murder has taken place in Raipura Chowk in Indraprasth Colony's phase 2, and in fact in a very similar tonality, the body was disposed of in a traditional iron trunk that was purchased from a nearby market, and in fact the contents of the trunk are still here at the spot where it was disposed of. And in fact this particular location is secluded without any residential area and apartment, and it is secluded, which is why this location was chosen by the murderers to dispose of the body. And this body is said to be 4 to 5 days old, and in fact the contents have been collected by the FSL. Forensics are being done, and in fact, as per the forensic experts, a thick layer of cement keeps away the stench, and which is why it delays investigation by a huge number of days, and which is why a thick layer of cement was filled inside the suitcase in which it has been disposed of. And as per the preliminary investigation so far, although the police has not made an official statement as of now, but what it is being revealed is that a sensational twist has come in this mysterious case, and in fact the motive behind the killing is also appears to be a financial dispute. The accused is a practicing lawyer allegedly, and in fact he committed the murder following a fallout over money. And in fact it is also learned that the accused lawyer is also in police custody as of now. Apart from him, another woman who was also seen in a CCTV footage that has surfaced. And in fact, in the CCTV footage, it was learned that one woman and one man with another man were purchasing this trunk from a nearby market. And in fact, as per the official statement, it is learned that the Raipur resident who has been killed is in fact identified as Banjare, and the gruesome murder, the gruesome way in which it was done has shocked the entire locality, because the gravity with which this murder was subjected and the killing was executed, it is certainly reminded everyone of the Meerut killing that had happened. And in fact, this financial dispute ended up taking a man's life in the Indraprasth colony, where again allegedly an apartment was also rented just to execute this particular murder. Several CCTV footages are coming to the fore, although police is going to make the revelation soon. They are going to give a public statement. And in fact, in an alto, this particular body was disposed of, and which is why a woman and a man can be seen in that particular alto as well, in which the number plate was altered to just give not any clue to the police about the murder and how it was disposed of. And this particular murder is certainly gruesome, and it has now shook the entire citizen of Chhattisgarh. This is Sumi Rajpun for India Today with video journalist Raghavendra Pandey from Raipur, Chhattisgarh.